Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We are solving this simple engineering mechanics statics problem. Here it is a bar which is supported by two smooth collars, and at this point, this bar has a ball in a socket joint, and at this point it has a simple rigid support, right? It has a simple rigid support, and there are three components of the pores, which is by, bz, and bx, right? And here are some moment components, which are this moment about point b in around the y-axis, and this is the y-axis, and this is the moment about point b, z component, right? And this is the x component of moment, right? About this point b, right? And this distance is 6 feet, and this is 5 feet, right? And here a 50 pound load is applied in this direction, right? And at this point it has a ball in a socket joint, so it has two components, right? One is ax and one is az, right? And we need to verify some equations. So ax plus bx is equal to 0, and by plus this 50 pound load is equal to 0. So from here by is equal to minus 50, so this is in the opposite direction to this load, right? And here az plus bz is equal to 0, and moment about point, the moment component, the z component of moment about point b is 0, right? So the x component of moment about point b is minus 300 pound feet, right? And we this component, this is bcd, which is equal to a unit vector, it is a vector, right? So it is a vector minus 9i plus 3j, right? And this is bcd, this is also a vector. These two are components, right? These two are I and j components. It means it in the x direction, in the y direction, it has some certain components, right? So for finding the bx reaction, which is here, we need to apply some formula here, right? So this is a vector, and this is the moment about point b, right? So we need to apply some rule here. So we will put all these into 0, and this is bx. We are just finding our focus is on this bx, right? So after solving these equations simultaneously, we have found that bx is equal to minus 16.7 pounds, right? And here we have written a formula, which is ax plus bx is equal to 0. So from here, once we put this bx here, so we are able to find this ax, right? And for finding the y component of moment about point b, we need to write this equation, right? So this is a vector, and this is the magnitude, right? So these two are sorry these two are vectors, right? So these two are moment vectors. So after writing these equations and solving for moment about this y component of moment about point b is minus 900 pound feet, right? So this was an easy engineering mechanics statics problem, and